Hello Oriflame leaders, the most successful directors and managers from all over Europe will be in Greece in 2019, participating on a Manager Seminar 2019. I'm very proud and happy to receive you all in paradise and really try to inspire you and give you the energy of succeeding even more. Welcome. Cheers. Γεια μας. Καλή επιτυχία. Good luck to all of you.
They say that Greek women are beautiful, but Greek men are even better.
Welcome to Greece.
Visit our beautiful islands. Enjoy the Greek food, the Greek wines, and dance, dance, dance. Opa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.